16-year-old Keveen Richards missing off Old Harbour St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An Ananda alert has been activated for 16-year-old Keveen Richards of Love Street, Old Harbour in St. Catherine, who has been missing since Saturday, August 20. She is of dark complexion, medium build and about 5 feet 4 inches tall. Reports from the Old Harbour police are that at around 5 p.m., Keveen was last seen at home wearing a white blouse and a brown tights. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Keveen is being asked to contact the Old Harbour police at 876-983-2255, the police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.